Belzona Super Wrap 2 employs epoxy resins reinforced with a bespoke hybrid reinforcement sheet based on fiberglass and carbon fibre. A red release film is used for consolidating the repair. Other accessories may also be needed. First, roughen the damaged surface to ensure the best possible profile and cleanliness. Make sure the area is large enough for the patch repair to cover. Here, the repair is protecting an internal defect. If the defect is external, a Belzona rebuilding material shall be used prior to application of the composite patch. Degrease the area using Belzona 9111 or other suitable approved degreaser to remove any surface contaminants. Define the repair area with masking tape. Measure out the base and solidifier of Belzona Super Wrap 2. The choice of resin depends on environmental conditions during implementation of the repair and operating temperatures. Mix the two components together thoroughly. Using the resin, wet out the pre-measured reinforcement sheets on both sides. Apply them to the former from the smallest to largest, with the glass fibre side facing up. For this application, we're using a heated polypropylene former to mould to the tank wall. This type of material also removes the requirement for a release agent. Other former alternatives may be used. Wet out the repair area using the same resin to achieve optimum mechanical adhesion between the patch and the tank wall. Apply the Belzona composite patch with the former onto the substrate using hand pressure. You should see any excess resin release from the sides of the patch. Use available devices to compress the repair. Magnets with metallic formers can also be used to apply pressure on the repaired area. Once cured, remove the former from the composite patch. Smooth out the edges of the patch in preparation for overcoating. Abrade the surface of the patch repair to provide an optimum profile for the overcoat. If additional protection is required, apply a coating over the patch repair. For this application, we've used Belzona 5111 to provide a seamless finish whilst also protecting the repair against UV degradation. A Belzona Super Wrap 2 composite patch like this can be designed and applied in accordance with ISO 24817. Visit belzona.com/superwrap for more information.